subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. The LS02 smartwatch from Haylou has a simple design and is aimed at price-sensitive buyers. The smartwatch, which has a 1.4-inch display and up to 20 days of battery life, is now orderable for US $25.99, or under US $20 if you are happy to have the device shipped from China. Haylou announced the LS02 last year, but the smartwatch has now dropped to US $25.99 on Amazon. Alternatively, if you are happy waiting 20 to 40 days for the device to arrive, then you could order the LS02 for US $18.22 on AliExpress. Please note that Haylou ships the smartwatch from its Chinese warehouse, so you will probably incur customs fees and taxes, too. Unsurprisingly, the LS02 is a basic smartwatch and, as such, does without an LTE modem or Wi-Fi connectivity. Instead, the smartwatch relies on Bluetooth 5.0 to connect to an Android smartphone or an iPhone. Accordingly, the LS02 can display calls and notifications from a paired smartphone. The LS02 shows these on its 1.4-inch display, which resolves at 320 by 320 pixels. Haylou has complemented the large display with a 260 mAh battery that should last up to 20 days between charges, along with a real-time heart rate monitor. Additionally, Haylou claims that the LS02 is IP68 certified and comes preloaded with 12 sports modes, including gymnastics and yoga, among others. The smartwatch also has a silicone watch strap by default, but this is replaceable, should you prefer to use a metal or leather one. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, and like and share the video. Thank you.